Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to repair and inspect and possibly repair your Shark Ion 725 750 suction motor. And if not, I do have them on sale on my eBay store, so check that out. So this is an 850. It has a PCB board on here with 4 cables coming in, 2 communication for variable speed and 2 for power. You have this 2 here for single power. So if you have variable speed, you're gonna have one of these. If you have an older one, you're gonna have this. So this is gonna be an 850, 851, 1000 series. 1000 series is a little different, but it will work. This is a 725, 750, and 761, and so many numbers to remember. Some 700, not many, but 725, 750 will work here. So, if you have this one, check that video out. If not, you have this one, you're at the right place. All right, to start with, we have 1 Phillips head to remove. Once you've removed this, if you haven't already removed this, go check out my other videos. I'll show you how they completely tear down your robot to bare bones. All right, so here we go. 1 Phillips head, and my battery would be dying, of course. Make sure you get the right size screwdriver. Okay, this is the tricky part because you've got a clip here and clip here, and they will break. So you just got to be, well, I think I did that wrong. So clip here, so that clips right there, and clip here. But they will break, so be careful. Guess it's not the end of the world if they break, but all right. That's that top half. Here's the bottom half. You have fins in here, so you want to look inside. Make sure all the fins are intact. Make sure the spin's nice and free like that. It will spin and then stop, but it's real easy to spin. Checking here for debris, any broken fins. In order to remove this, it's more than likely gonna break, so just be aware. You're gonna pry up really slow, turn it, pry up, turn it, pry up, turn it, pry up. I'm not gonna do it because 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna break this, and this is actually a good motor. So that's how you remove it. Inspect it. If it's seized up, if you hear like grinding or anything, blow it out. Check for hair underneath it. Whatever you gotta do, you could also take and like grab it and slowly pull it, but it's going to be difficult. And as you can see here, there are some of these teeth right here broken. Almost every one of these I've ever taken apart has that, so I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not, but it's just how it seems to be from debris hitting it. But now we can reassemble it. If I can see what I'm doing in the camera. We're gonna stick that side in. Come over here and stick that one. Make sure you have these little rubber grommets out because they will get in your way. Alright, let's see. Alright, line that one up, line that one up. Click, click. Good to go. Pull that grommet out. Alright, and pull this grommet out. Go ahead and install our 1 screw. And once we install this 1 screw, we can put the grommets back in. Alright. Take your grommets, stick them in. Just like that. They'll pop in. Good to go. So hopefully you had just some debris. If it's broken, time to replace. Thanks for watching, guys.